Hello friends, welcome to Health Body Natural. Aim of our channel is to give information about maintaining health and reduce medical expense. Today's topic is Ayurvedic rules of drinking water. Apart from food, we generally neglect water portion also. So water is equally important or more important than food because our body is made up of 80% of liquid or water. So if you are not drinking water every hour or in a sufficient quantity, you are decreasing your immunity indirectly. You can't believe, but there are researches, if you are not drinking water in a proper quantity, your memory loss can happen, your loss of concentration will be there will be some other diseases risk will increase. Some people say if you are drinking sufficient water, you decrease the risk of cancers by 45%. So this is really amazing. The water has so much importance in our life. So please take sufficient quantity of water whenever possible, but not just before or just after the meal, because 1 hour or 2 hours before and 1 and 2 hours after the meal, there should be no water intake so that digestive process don't get diluted, because digestive fire is doing its work. So that time you should not use water. Buttermilk is good to drink with the food or in between the meal. If you feel thirsty, buttermilk is the best option. If while eating you are feeling thirsty and you don't have buttermilk, or the season is very cold, you don't want to have buttermilk, then you can have lukewarm water sip wise. Little sip of warm water you can have in between the meal, but not too much water, half glass or 1 full glass. Otherwise your digestive fire will get diminishes. Or never drink iced or chilled water during the meal or with your meal. Any iced or chilled thing is not good for digestion. Immediately after the food, one should not drink the water. Reason is, when the food is getting digested, the temperature of your stomach is very high, and immediately after the food, if you drink lots of water, it will subside your digestive fire and results into a indigestion, gastric problem. So if you feel thirsty in between the meals, drink very sip wise water. Means very little quantity of the water should be taken in between the meals. After 1.5 hours of the meal, especially after lunch and dinner, you can have water. And in the night, before sleeping, you should take your meals 2 hours before, so that after meal you can have water before sleeping. It will balance your pitta. Because if you sleep just after taking the meals and do not drink sufficient quantity of water, it will affect your digestive system and metabolism. Suppose you have working hours in the night, then you can drink water every half an hour, so that in the night when you awake, your pitta, whichever increased because of night awakening, will subside from this water. So drink water if you are getting awake in the night for a long time. Another thing is, suppose you don't know how much water you should drink. So first thing is, you should see the season. If it is summer, you should drink at least 4 to 5 liters of water. If it is winter, at least 3 liters of water in a day you should consume. Reason is, if you are not drinking sufficient quantity of water, or minimum 8 to 10 glass of water in a day, it will decrease your metabolism rate approximate around 2 to 3%. After a research, it is found that if you are not drinking water in sufficient quantity, it will decrease your concentration, your focus of the work, and also on long term it will decrease your memory. So water is very important part for metabolism, for physical health, and also for mental health. As we mentioned in the first part of our food series, that subtle part of the water affects your mind. So take care of how much quantity of water you are drinking and what quality of water you are drinking. Quality means you should drink hot water or lukewarm water in empty stomach and before going to sleep. So the hot quality of water will dilute the extra fat which you have taken with the meals. So just after any oily food, one should not drink chilled water. Just after the oily food, if you take lukewarm water, it helps to digest that fat. Apart from this, another important part is the copper water. The copper vessel water is considered as very good, especially the empty stomach. In the night, you fill the water in a copper vessel, and early morning, if you are drinking empty stomach, that copper vessel water has bactericidal and germicidal property and also considered as very good for your digestion. So that copper water also good, and mud pot water also considered as best for health. Reason is mud has alkali property, and if you are drinking water kept in mud pot overnight, it is very good for your health, for your body pH. So body pH should be alkaline most of the time for health. So this is very good to drink mud pot water. If you have any questions regarding health or suggestions regarding video or any new subject to make video, that all things you can write us. You want to register for our any medical camp which is going to organize nearby your city, then you can register your name through email. Many of you want to become your own doctor. You want to take care of your own and your family people's health. For that purpose only we have made an online Ayurveda course. In that course we teach you how to maintain health with the help of lifestyle and diet and other changes. If you are interested to read health related books, we have already given the link of the book. Get that book either in the ebook format or in the paperback format. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.